And gals, welcome to the unboxing and review of the X-Shot Turbo Fire. Now, if you think this looks familiar, that probably makes sense because this is basically the smaller version of the Turbo Advance, which basically just has double the drum that this guy has. It comes with 48 darts, which is a staple of X-Shot stuff. It only holds 20. When I say staple, I mean that X-Shot gives you way more darts than you need to fill up one load on one blaster. Turbo Fire holds 20, comes with 48, so you get an extra 28 darts, which is great. One thing that sets the Turbo Fire above the Turbo Advance is that supposedly the Turbo Fire has a really good slam fire. As you can see by slam fire. The Turbo Advance's slam fire was absolute garbage, and most of the time, if you tried it, it would basically just drop darts out in front of you. It would not launch at all. Let's take a look at the back while we're here. What do we got? This is your drum, the X-Shot line. As of right now, I have one of every single X-Shot blaster that's listed here in the arsenal. Some of them I have the old color scheme or the old setup, but I have all of them, and I highly recommend X-Shot over Nerf stuff. Because one, everything is cheaper. Everything in X-Shot is cheaper. They give you more darts, everything is cheaper, and for the most part their stuff is comparable, if not better, in that you can buy X-Shot darts and use them in pretty much everything. Nerf darts are a little bit more expensive, but there are some X-Shot blasters that don't take them because X-Shot darts are, of course, shorter than Nerf darts. Alright, if you guys and gals are ready, I'm going to pop this bad boy open. All right, we're up and running. One thing you'll notice is this does not detach. The drum does not come out like it does in the Turbo. Let's just get this out of the way. You can basically just keep on cycling through. Clicks with each go. You can even spin it from here, which is kind of cool. There's a release for the sight, which is interesting. We'll see how well the sight actually works. Probably not very well. But we're going to load it up. It doesn't seem to have as far as I can tell, there's no switch like the Turbo Advance has to switch between your rows. Oh, probably because the inner row, the inner row is for show. The Turbo Advance has there's two different wheels of darts, you could say, and you have a switch between which one you want to fire from. The Turbo Fire, on the other hand, the sight automatically comes up if the thing is not fighting gravity. But the Turbo Fire has an inner ring of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 that is just for show. They don't actually fire anything. You can tell which one fires this. So it's the outer ring that actually fires. Then you can put 10 extra darts in there for ammo purposes. And it's way further away, so I am 100% sure that you can use all 4 kinds of darts in this blaster. But we're going to find out if that's the case. I'm going to load this bad boy up, and then we're going to make sure it fires. If you didn't realize yet, this is the prime. It's over here. This. There is also, if you hold the trigger, this is how slam fire works. But yeah, we're going to test it out. So I'm going to load this up. I'll even put stuff in the hidey holes, and I will see you guys in the Alright, we are all loaded up. We've got, in the firing ring, we have 5 elites, or elite knockoff, 5 AccuStrike, 5 X-Shot, and 5 waffle darts. And then in the backup ring, we have 2 elites, 2 waffle darts, 2 AccuStrike, 2 X-Shot. And as you can see, it is spinning no problem, so I'm happy about that. All right, here we go. One thing to note about the turbo fire as opposed to the turbo advance. The turbo fire, the priming mechanism is on the front. On the turbo fire, the priming mechanism is way here in the back, which is going to get super awkward unless you're slam firing. Like, this blaster is designed to be slam fired. Absolutely 100% designed to be slam fired. If you're not slam firing, it's weird to keep your arm back here and then keep firing. I'm going to back up just a little bit, and we're going to see if anything fires. I'll do 5 non-slam fire, then 5 slam fire. No, this doesn't make sense. 2 regular shots, then slam, slam, slam. 2 regular shots, slam, slam, slam. That makes sense. It is way stronger when you slam fire it. Wow! The slam fire dart shot across my room. Holy crap! One of them just flew back and hit me. That's crazy. This is crazy! And we're out. Wow! The slam fire on this is monstrous. I love it. Oh, this is great. This is a great, like, get away from me weapon. That's what the turbo fire is made for. Wow. Those slam fire darts shot everywhere. I've never seen slam fire be more powerful than regular prime. That's crazy. I cannot wait to take this over the firing range. Holy crud, that's cool. So, are you guys ready for turbo fire antics? I'm a little worried. I am again 20 feet away from the target. I am a little bit worried that it's going to fire super hard at that with slam fire, but also not that worried. I'm popping up the sight. I'm going to see how well the sight actually works. The answer is probably not very, but we're going to start. It seems like we are starting with elite darts. So I'm going to again fire 2 through the sight, and then I'm going to use slam fire. I think that was low, huh? They're so low. The sight is worthless. Slam fire it is, baby. They're going everywhere. That was the first elite. That last one was a waffle dart. So we're going to try and use the sight with waffle darts now, but I'm pretty sure the answer is going to be it's very, very low. The waffle darts are better. They're not good, but they're better. The waffle darts are lower than the sight, but they're still doing better than elite darts. Slam fire last 2, and then whatever the next one is. That was a dead-on waffle dart hit with slam fire. We are into AccuStrike territory now. Sight, AccuStrike. Way low, as expected, pretty much. Way, way, way too low. Slam firing. I don't know if that was me or... Next shots are going pretty straight. Alright, trying the sight for the next shot. Super low. Okay. Same thing. Trying the sight again with an AccuStrike. Or with an... That one came out almost correct. So it seems like waffle darts and X shots are the closest to the sight, but none of them are really that close. Also, thing to note, one of my anti-strike darts fell out of the emergency ring. So keep that in mind. If you shake it too hard, yeah, I just knocked the other anti-strike dart out. If you shake it too hard, yeah, they're all falling out. You'll lose stuff from your emergency ring. But oddly enough, the main ring is totally fine. All right, last 3 shots. We're going in slam fire, baby. It's 2 X shot and 1 elite. Did not fire, huh? Oh, I went the wrong way. All right. Super high. Okay, well, surprising absolutely no one. The sight, while cool that it pops up by itself, worthless. Don't use the sight. This is absolutely a get away from me gun, and it fires way more powerfully when you're slam firing. It's clearly, I know they said it was designed for slam fire, but it seems like they designed the turbo fire for slam fire, and then the actual firing mechanism came second. That's what it seems like. One thing to note, though, my only qualm with this blaster so far, because I'm not considering the sight not being accurate a qualm, because as we all know, none of the dart guns are really that accurate. That's just the way things are. Is that if you do this, your emergency ring darts fall out. So, like, if you're running behind me, oh, now none of them are going to fall out. I literally just went like this at one point, and the anti-strike darts fell out. Just be aware that you can not loose your emergency ring, so it may not be that useful to you in an actual emergency. Then again, you know, I use the term emergency loosely. I just mean emergency in the confines specifically of a Nerf pool. I'm super happy with this purchase. You might even want to get this as opposed to the Turbo Advance. Yes, I think it's, I don't know if it's half the price or if it is $10 less. It's definitely less than the Turbo Advance, but this is a solid primary right here. The fact that they have the emergency ring to make the drum look like the Turbo Advance is really cool. But it's also cool that you do have some backup ammo because you're going to be wanting to fire the turbo fire in slam fire. And you're going to blow through your ammo super quick. But it almost seems like I'm getting the kind of range that I'd get out of a rival gun with the slam fire on the turbo fire. So I highly recommend this blaster in particular. This is a really decent blaster. Again, the way it's even set up with the prime not being here and the prime being here, it's definitely made for slam fire. So pack lots of ammo when you go out into war with this gun. And make sure you have teammates to cover you so you can reload 20 darts. But yeah, highly recommend. If you guys liked what you saw, leave a like. If you want to see more kind of like this, sub. And I'll see you guys in the house later in the video.